Understanding box out in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to unravel the meaning of the term box out. It's an interesting phrase with roots in sports but has found its way into everyday language. Let's get started. Box out originates from the world of basketball. In the game, to box out means to position one's body in a way to prevent an opposing player from getting closer to the basket, especially during a rebound. It's a strategic move to keep your opponent away and secure the ball for your team. Imagine two players under the basketball hoop. The ball is in the air, coming down, and both players want to grab it. The player who effectively uses his body to shield or block the other player, positioning himself between the opponent and the basket, is said to be boxing out the other player. Beyond the basketball court, box out has been adopted into everyday language with a slightly different nuance. In a figurative sense, to box out means to prevent someone from being involved in an activity or situation. It's like creating a barrier or distancing someone from a particular event or scenario. For instance, if someone says, "I felt boxed out of the decision-making process at work," they mean that they felt excluded or kept away from being part of making decisions. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. In the basketball match last night, John managed to box out his opponent and grab the rebound. 2. I don't want to box out anyone from the discussion. Everyone's opinion is valuable. 3. Lisa felt like the new members of the group were trying to box her out of major projects. And there you have it. From the basketball court to everyday conversations, the phrase, box out, is a versatile term in the English language. It's incredible how sports terminology can weave its way into our daily expressions. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.